Hey, thank you for the changes. Just a couple of things here. Please, can you make this part a little bit even bigger if possible? Keep the welcome as it is, but this should be more bigger than it is. Next, hide blog. He don't need the blog, so we can have four on this side as a tabs and four on this side. When it comes to his profile, it's still empty, so please make this section with this text and everything that is here with the awards and all of that stuff, meet Jack as blah blah blah. So everything here needs to be under profile. Then this number, can you make the number even so they are not like this, down, up, up, down, and all of that? Just like these sevens, make them all even. This is a good size. When it comes to, can you make this transparent banner a little bit smaller, maybe to here if possible? If not, no problem. Inner page, this inner page should be with some Toronto photo in the back, something like that, with some city photo in the back. Also, this is good. This is good. 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 So those are the changes. Make this a little bit bigger. Apply about to the profile page. Remove blog. Make this even. And if you can make this a little bit smaller and inner banner to be Toronto photo or something similar to this. Okay, thanks.